Hello, in this video I'm going to show you how to generate the random email number of your Honor 400 Pro. Okay, so we are on the email.info page, and now in this bar right here we need to type the email number of our device. If you don't know how to find it, on our channel there's a video when I'm showing you all possible checking options on that site. And also in that video I'm showing you how to find the email number on your Honor 400 Pro. So if you want, you can look for it. Now once you have typed your email number, click on this blue button, check email. Now we have our 400 Pro, as you can see, and now we need to simply scroll down into the downside until we find the basic checks. Until you find it, you can see that the third option from the top is the random email generator. Simply click on that option. Now click on generate random email. Okay, and now as you can see we have the 10 random email numbers. If you want, you can copy each one of them by clicking on this icon that is next to the email number, but also you can copy all of them at the same time simply by clicking copy all emails. And below, if you click on this blue button, you can generate emails for other brands. Alright, that's all in this video. Thank you all for watching. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, comment and subscribe.